Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today is the third video of the AWS project. So in the previous two videos, I have shown you that how you can create an instance and how you can wait until the instance is running. But in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can terminate an instance by using the Go programming language. Alright, so as you can see here that these are the two instances and both of them are stopped. So what I will do, I will delete this testing2 instance and I will run this instance only. And after that, I will create another instance and after that, I will delete that instance. Alright, so to do this, I will first of all delete this testing2 and let's terminate it. Alright, yeah. As you can see here that it will take me some time to be terminated. So yeah, now the next thing that I'm going to do is to run this testing1 instance. Alright, because based on this testing1 instance, the AMI image was generated. So I have just saved it. I have not deleted that image. So yeah, I will just use it again. So let's click on this what you can say instance type, state and start instance. So now it will take me some time to this instance to be started. Alright, so let's refresh this. As you can see that it is currently going on, the process is pending, so it will take me some time, so no worry about it. So now what I will do, I will go to the code, and as you can see here that this is the main function, this is the created instance function, and this is the wait until instance is running function. So I will create another function by the name of what you can say terminate instance or terminate EC2 instance like this. And now the parameters will be the same. I will copy them. Alright, let's copy these things. Now they will work fine. Let's write like this. Alright, so after that inside it what I will write, this process will be the same. Basically it will take the instance ID of the terminate instance that you want to terminate. So let's write, instead of writing describe, I will write terminate. Alright, like this. Terminate. So this will basically take the input of the instance that is going to be terminated. Alright, and this ID will be taken, and after that I will apply write error is equal to SVC for the service client that will basically communicate with the instance, and after that let's write what you can say terminate instances, and in that terminate instances I will put the input, and based on this input the instance will be terminated. So let's write if error is not equal to nil, then return an error. Alright, and after that let's write nil, return nil. So basically it will take the instance ID, it will terminate this, and if it is giving me an error then it will return that error, otherwise it will return nothing. So now what I need to do, I will call this functionality here in this main function. Alright, so let's scroll up, and as you can see here that this is the main function, and inside it what I will write error is equal to terminate EC2 instance, and I will write service client and the instance ID. Once it is done, I will print give the error message like if the error is not equal to nil, then log fatal F and failed to terminate an EC2 instance. Alright, and now let's give the error message like this. Alright, so now first of all the instance will be created, and after that it will take some time for the instance to be running, and after that it will terminate that running instance. But there is a catch, and that is basically I will wait for some time, and after when the instance will be running, it will wait for some time, and after that it will terminate that instance. I don't want to delete the instance immediately. Instead I want it to wait for some time, and after that the instance should be terminated. So what I will do, I will write time sleep, and then I will write 10 seconds. Alright, 10 seconds, it will be more than enough. Alright, so basically it will wait for 10 seconds when the instance will be running, and after 10 seconds the instance will basically be terminated. So this is the process that it will happen. So let's save it. Alright, so after that let's see that whether the instance is running or not. it is running. All right, so this instance will take some time to be terminated, but no worry about this. But I just want to talk about this instance. All right, so let's all right, go run what you can say EC2 main.go. all right, so as you can see that the instance is created. Now let's refresh this. As you can see that this is the new instance that is created now by this this is the instance ID 60, as you can see here 60. So it will take me some time to run the instance, so yeah, wait for it. As you can see that the instance ID is running, so let's refresh this. As you can see that the instance is running, so let's wait for 10 seconds, and after that this instance will be terminated. All right, so let's check it out. As you can see that it is shutting down, but the problem was that I didn't put the message here as it was should be put in here, so I need to write this message. Sorry about the message, but the process is the same. As you can see here that it is shutting down, so it is successfully terminating the instance, but the problem was that I didn't put the message here. So I will write EC2 instance is terminated with or what you can see EC2 instance with ID S is terminated. All right, so this time if I run this code again, you will see that it will run an instance, it will create an instance, after that it will run an instance, and at the end it will terminate an instance by giving me this message EC2 instance with an ID is terminated. So let's refresh it, run the code again. Now this instance is created 30. Let's refresh this. As you can see that 30, this is refreshing. All right, so this is pending, so it will take me some time to be running. Now you can see that the EC2 instance is running, so yeah, this is running properly. And after that it will take some 10 seconds, and this will be terminated. All right, so as you can see that the 30 is now terminated. If I take a look at this, refresh this, you will see that it is shutting down. All right, so the process was the same, but the problem was that I didn't put the message, so sorry about that, but now it is done. So now what I will do, I will first of all let's just stop this instance because I don't need it, because the problem is resolved. And I will stop this instance. All right, so all the instances will be terminated after some time, so you don't need to worry about this, but I have stopped it. Now let's write git commit, and added the terminate functionality to delete an instance, delete an EC2 instance, like this. Git push origin main. So yeah, now it is now transferred. If I refresh this, you will see that this instance is stopped. So let's go to the AWS. If I refresh this page, now 5 commits. Added the terminate functionality to delete an EC2 instance. All right, so it is working fine. So I hope you understand and like this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.